All right, so now we've got a fully assembled Reflex ready for some exercises. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and demonstrate our core exercises. So to put the system on, first thing that you're gonna do is slightly raise your injured thigh, bring it underneath your leg until you've got the hub of the Reflex about joint center. Then you're gonna go ahead and just simply pop on the ankle portion. The first strap we're gonna attach is the proximal strap here. Bring that across and attach. And we're going to go ahead and attach the distal strap. So this one is a small magnetic quick release. You can loosen the Velcro as needed. Attach and then pull tight. Alrighty. So now that we're engaged, move through, make sure everything feels comfortable. And the device feels like it's moving smoothly with you, it's well aligned. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip on the power switch. My whole user interface is right here on board. So I'm already paired with a local Wi-Fi, so I'll be downloading whatever my current physical therapy regimen is, as well as uploading data from the device. So I'm going to go ahead and open the activities. The first thing we're going to do is measure my current range of motion and strength. So hit measure, and then range of motion. And so to begin any activity, you hit the play pause button. And so I'm going to straighten, and then the device is going to instruct me to push as far as I can, go, 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 and then bend. Bend as far as I can for 3 seconds. And release. All right. So now I can view my stats. I just hit 4 degrees of extension and 115 degrees of flexion. And then I can go ahead and move on to the next activity, which is measuring my strength. So with this one, we're going to measure first quadricep and then hamstring strength. So hit the strength button, go ahead and hit play, extend my leg. The orange circle grows as I push harder. Push, 5 seconds, and then bend. And release. All right, next. So now I have my 4 exercises. Straighten and bend, the device is going to do the work for me. This is a stretching exercise. So the device is either going to push in the straightening one to try to get max extension, or in the bending one, push me back towards the measurement that I just hit and then some. Quadricep and hamstring, those are resistance exercises where the modal will actually generate resistance, like I'm on a leg cable machine, in both directions. So we'll demonstrate the straighten exercise. Before beginning, I set my goal angle. So since I just measured to 4, that's where I'm starting, but I can push myself further. Here I'm going to go to 0 and then hit play. So I move my leg until the device engages. And then now I can sit back, be on my phone, watch TV, or do any other activity while the device helps me exercise. Build back that range of motion. Nice deep stretch, hold for 3 seconds. And then it walks back. If the stretching isn't fast enough, you can actually pause the system and then increase the speed here on a scale from 1 to 100, and then go ahead and begin again. And so now you can see the system is moving significantly faster. Hold for 3 seconds. Okay, so we're going to exit out of this exercise and demonstrate one of the strengthening exercises. Move back here. So quadricep strengthening, this is going to straighten the knee and then hold. So now the motor is trying to push my heel towards my butt, but I'm trying to push out, working on my quadricep muscle. So you can adjust your resistance here. I'm going to go ahead and set it at middle of 10 and then hit play. All right, flex and hold, back off, repeat, hold, back off, and hold. And so once the exercise is complete, again, you can view your statistics I hit a peak of just over 10 while doing that exercise. And then I'm going to hit next. And that's it. In order to view your progress, simply scan the QR code, which will take you to our online portal, as well as to look at demonstrations of how you're going to complete your exercises. To remove the system, start by flipping the power off, removing the distal strap, proximal strap, and then simply sliding the system out. Thank you so much.